Hello everyone, I'm the technical director of Hongbao Machinery. We've been specializing in brick machine for 23 years. Today, I will introduce our QTJ4-18 model brick machine to you. There is three major advantages. Advantage 1, fully automatic production, PLC intelligent control. This machine uses our developed PLC control system for fully automatic production. It can control the whole production line, safe and reliable.
Raw material from the mixer hopper convey into mixer for mixing process. Convey materials into brick machine hopper by conveyor belt. The process of automatically conveying pallets to pallet box. Automatic production process. This machine uses our developed PLC control system for fully automatic production. It can control the whole production line. Safe and reliable. It reduces much labor costs for your production. Advantage 2, hydraulic pressure and vibration together. This brick machine adopts hydraulic pressure in the top and strong vibration box in the bottom. The output of the hydraulic cylinder is stable, and the vibration box at the bottom is driven by two 4-kilowatt motors. Hydraulic pressure and vibration force work together. So the force of forming bricks is big. In order to make the brick stronger with high density, Advantage 3. We are a manufacturer with ISO9001 international certification. We are the direct factory that produces, sells, and provides high-quality, after-sales service. Hongbao Machinery, serving all over the world.